I've seen 360 with them. I've seen Beam with them. I've seen Marcus Harvey with them. I've seen Nas with them. You know what I'm saying? I've been seeing this clipper all over the place. Told myself, look, man, it's just too much money. I got what I got, but I had to check them out for myself. So before we try anything, before we do any reviews, before we get into trying to do this, like use this clipper, we have to unbox it. Now, when I first got this clipper, I looked at it, I said, bro, this looks just like if iPhone were to make a clipper, it would be a bevel trimmer. Jeez, I don't know if I should have got a knife or what. Oh, crap. Bevel trimmer, consistent power and precise lines, 6,000 strokes per minute, that's pretty fast, 4+ hours, quick adjustments, easy cleaning, cool to the touch, perfect balance, and superior control. And we got a little quote from Nas, of course. I trust my barber to choose the best for my lineups, and he uses the bevel trimmer. That's cute. Wow. This unboxing experience has to be the craziest thing ever. Ever. Oh my God. That's crazy. This is dope. See, man, I've held one before, but it's different when it's yours. I like the way this feels. It feels really good. One thing that's interesting to me though is I thought it was a little more cylinder, but it's like oval. You know what I'm saying? I thought it was like a circle, but it's like oval. Got the little grip part right here. It feels really nice. Really nice. And you can pop this off apparently. Place that back in, I think. Wow. Apparently this blade is supposed to be dirt repellent and oil repellent. I just can't get over it. And you can pull this out. How do you pull this out? Let me press right here. No, I have no idea. That's why you get the manual. Casing, charge indicator, power switch, charging cable. And I like a lot nice and simple manuals. You know what I'm saying? Like this is just 3 pages, nothing too fancy. We don't got a whole booklet. Power care. Cool. Comes with this power thing. People were asking if it comes with a blade, with the T-blade now. I guess not. This is dope. It comes in this, and the oil is, you can already use it. You don't gotta get no pin or nothing, and I hate that. As seen on the box. That's sick. Same exact. It's literally the same size. And that will be the conclusion of this unboxing. The only thing to do next is see how these things actually work. I already got the T-outliner blade in the mail. If there's anything you want to see in the review video, please drop a comment down below letting me know. Drop a like in this video if you actually loved it, and subscribe if you have not already. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace.